Alright, so today's problem is an interesting one. It says on the number line above there are 4 equal intervals between 0 and 1. What is the positive value of n? Okay, so you don't really see number lines in problems often, so weird occurrence. But it says there are 4 equal intervals between 0 and 1, so what we can assume is that each of these intervals are equal to each other. So between 0 and 1, you got 4 parts, so this must be 1/4. If you'll let me write, 1/4, 1/2, and 3/4. Okay, and we got this giant arrow. We have this giant black arrow pointing to 1/4, 4n squared minus 20. And so we can make the assumption that they're equal. So we can just say n squared minus 20 is going to be equal to 1/4. And at this point, we just need to solve for n, okay? So we can add 20 on both sides, add 20 on both sides. N squared will be equal to 20 plus 1/4, and 20, let's just rewrite this as a fraction, so that'd just be 80 over 4 plus 1/4, so that is just 81 over 4 equals n squared. So let's take the square root of that so we can find n. So n equals the square root of 81 over 4. And so if we're just taking the square root, we can just take the square root of each number on top, so that's just 9 over 2 as our final answer for n. And it says what is the positive value of n, and so if we're taking the square root, let's just take 9 over 2 as a positive value of n.